Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to host your static website on AWS using S3 bucket and Route 53. So this both service is necessary for uh, host your static website on AWS. So first you need a domain name. So you can purchase domain name from GoDaddy, BigRocks or Crazy Domain. I already purchased my domain from Crazy Domain. Uh, it purchased me around 400 rupees for 1 year. So you can purchase from here also. It's your wish. Shubhamishra.in. I purchased this on 24th March to 20. No, this one is expiry, but I purchased this one on 24th March 2020. So go to your AWS management console. Now click on S3. First you have to create bucket using your domain name. So click on create bucket. After that put your domain name here. .10. After that you have to uncheck this one because public, so everyone can see your website. So you have to uncheck this one. You can after apply policy like read policy, so no one can update or up, update or write something on your data. So this is must, you have to make it public. After that click on check this acknowledge button, create bucket. After that click on this bucket, go to properties, click on static website hosting. Now here click on this one, use this bucket to host a website. Here you have to put your name of your HTML file. So our in HTML file name is index.html. Now click on save. Now we have to make this bucket as a readable for our user. So go to the permission, go to the bucket policy. After that click on documentation. After that click on bucket policy example. Now if you see this one, granting read only permission to an anonymous user. So copy this code and paste here. Now it is necessary to change this name with your domain name or bucket name. After that click on save. Now you can see this bucket has a public access. Now you have to upload your all the HTML file into your bucket, into this bucket. So go to overview. Now I'm going to download HTML file from internet because I don't have any HTML file right now. If you have your own HTML, you can upload that HTML file on your S3 bucket. So here I'm going to download static website. Click on download, show in folder, extract this one. Now here you can see all the CSS, JavaScript and your HTML file is here. So now you have to upload all the files and folders on your S3 bucket. So click on upload, go to the folder and select all and move this to this screen. Now click on upload. Now it will take some time, 30 seconds or 1 minute or less than 30 seconds. Now it is successfully uploaded. Now here is your index.html file. Now go to the Amazon S3 bucket again. Now here we are going to create one more bucket with name www.shubhammishra.in. Why we are doing this? Because if someone wants to access with the help of www, so it will redirect to our main bucket shubhammishra.in. Uncheck this one, click on acknowledge, create bucket, click on this. Now go to property. Now go to static website. Now here you see the redirect option. So here you have to give, if someone put www.shubhammishra.in, so it will redirect to this bucket, our original bucket. After that, save. That's it. After that, you have to go to Route 53. Now we use Route 53 because we have to link our domain name with our S3 bucket. So for that we have to create a zone. So click here, put your domain name here. After that, click on create. Now here you can see the 4 name server. Now you have to update this 4 domain name in your domain name provider website. So click on your domain link. Make sure you remove the full stop. Now click on update. That's it. After updating all these 4 domain name, go back to your Route 53, and you have to create 2 more record set. Okay, so you have to link your domain name with your S3 bucket. So for that, click on yes, then go to your S3 bucket. Here you can see S3 bucket. Click here. Now click on create. After that, another one, create another one. Put www dot is already here, so no need to put dot here, only www. Okay, after that, type we have to select as CNAME. Now here you have to write Shubham Mishra dot. If someone tried to access www.shubhammishra.in, then it will redirect to shubhammishra.in. So this all steps are necessary. Then you are able to host to your website on AWS successfully. Okay. So click on create. Now I'm going to new tab. Now I'm trying to access my website. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to configure all the setting, but we can try right now. See, it took I think less than 1 minute. Here you can see my website, not my website, but yeah, when you upload your HTML website, then you can see your website here. So this is all. If you have any doubt, any query, so you can do comment, let me know. I'll provide you a solution in a comment. Okay. Bye. Thank you.